Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,202. 24-hour volume, we are down 7%. And market cap, we are up 2.69%. Heading over to our daily chart, I am going to get into immediate short term for 2 hours for today as well. But if we take a look at a snapshot view here, we have found a good area of support here at $1,080 for Ethereum. And if we're taking a look at targets for resistance, we have a key area here at $1,255, roughly around $50 where the current price is at right now. This area is a tested area for resistance back here on June 14th and an area of support here on September 21st. So as tested in the area of resistance, touching at 1, 2, 3, and then finally broke out 4 times. So this is a highly anticipated area for the price to ultimately break if it can break. Now, the reason why I say that is we are going to have a minor setback coming up to this area of resistance. One is our stock RSI here at 82% for our K line, and our D line is at 60%. We can anticipate that the RSI is going to continue to go up before it is considered as overbought. Typically, for overbought here, we're seeing at 82% or even as high as 95, 96%. So the price right now, or the RSI, is at 82%. We couldn't initiate that the price may get rejected down. We do see some promising aspects of our momentum of our MACD indicator as these bars are getting smaller and weakened in this momentum of this bear trend itself. So if we do see these histograms getting smaller and a crossover on our daily chart, we are most likely going to be breaking through this area of our resistance. However, the RSI itself will give us that sell signal once we see the K line cross underneath the D line itself. So heading over to our 2-hour chart here, there is a few things that I would like to show you in our chart for 2 hours. One is that we have a progression of our parallel chart pattern. So essentially going into a resistance, coming down to an area of support, resistance, and an area of support. We are at a key area where we need to be able to hold on to support to retrace back and hold on to resistance in this parallel channel. Now, this area here was a tested area of support here. We can see multiple areas of our candlesticks coming down here on November 17th. So we are going to test it once again for an area of support. Now, there is a few things here that may hold us back from holding on to the support is our momentum factor of our MACD indicator. We can see that the green histograms and these green bars itself is gradually getting smaller and ultimately may change and reverse the overall momentum trend from this bull trend to a bear trend. And if that does happen at this critical line of support, then we may see the price come back down into our next line of support here at $1,182, roughly around 50% of our fib chart. If we retrace down to this area here, it was treated as a secondary area of support back here on the November 17th. We can see already a few of our candlesticks retracing at this level of retracement. One of the things here that we can ultimately see for the price to come up and retest 61% of our fib at 1207 is triggering a buying opportunity here. So even though the candlestick has not closed, it can ultimately trigger a buying opportunity that we saw back here just yesterday, closer to the end of yesterday. It showed us that buying opportunity, and where the price action was is right here in the middle of our channel. And with that progression here, we saw a growth of our MACD indicator coming up to this area of resistance line. So pretty interesting. A few analytics here I wanted to share with you. Most importantly, coming up and retesting our 61% of our fib. If I do scroll out here, we can see this area is going to be a tested resistance line as our volume node of our volume profile shows a lot of volume around this dollar amount at the 1209, and it is closer to our 61% of our fib. So that's my price update here for Ethereum. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe for daily crypto videos, and I will see you next time.